Hi everybody, I am Sambhav Agarwal working as an equity research intern at inSAKE solution. So this internship has provided me immense experience and I'm really enjoying it a lot. So I'm here today to talk about impact of artificial intelligence on equity research or equity analysis. So see, basically artificial intelligence has grown significantly well or significantly within a remote way in past few months, and the research over artificial intelligence has been going over past many years, the result of which we can see now. So basically artificial intelligence is not just limited to a particular field or to the field of science or to the field of information. Rather, it is exploding, it is going into various different kind of field, and one such field is finance. And our finance field, our equity research field is definitely going to be impacted by the advent of artificial intelligence as well. So the impact, not talking about the impact. So I personally believe and I also feel that artificial intelligence is going to have a very positive impact on equity research. It could supplement our research. It could simplify a lot of tasks. It could help us in researching the activity or researching the thing very well. It could make our work tremendously easy. However, we have to be very careful while we're using the technology, because it can lead to a lot of error as well. So we need to make sure that we use it wisely. So it particularly depends upon the way we use. If we use artificial intelligence very carefully and very particularly in our finance field, then we are definitely gonna work, and the equity research work is gonna be very easy, and it's gonna be in depth, and it's gonna be significantly improved. So how and why I say that is that because when equity research is being done, so we need to research a lot, we need to dig deeper into various things, we need to go into balance sheets, into companies' financial statement, and a lot more things. But with advent of the ChatGPT or such kind of artificial intelligence, the things can be simplified a lot. We just need to type in the question and we would get the solution. So the technology is developing, and I personally believe that it's gonna be a very positive change. So, however, there are very less number of tools or artificial intelligence tools, I would say, available for the finance field. However, I believe that in the coming years, we are gonna see a significant number of tools, just as you see today, a lot of brokering firm or brokerage shifting to online, all such stuff. So that was because of the technology that was developed. Similarly, I feel that in the artificial intelligence as well, it would go into finance field, and specifically in the research and equity research thing, and it's gonna supplement our work, and it's gonna make it much easier. So yeah, that is the possible impact I would feel. So yeah.